JPac since njimalo mụ na ekwu na phone before. Imo onye na-ekwu. Onye na-ekwu n'uwe Oriakụ. Iya ama my page. Cancel na ada bịawa na your program. Ọ na-eme ọka nkọtụ olu ọfụma. Maka ama name. Okay. I'm an emaro. Now, JPac because we think like Anjo because if we don't have a trend in social media for long, we do when we say Ngumwa no Nigeria. Actually, me biko always you guam maybe si nwete. Picture no Ogechi asili no go post to no go first person that posted it biko ebe kisi nwete iwe na ro asina ma choro iwe na ro maka asina ma choro ikwo private jo before call etu anti akwo na direct ebe kisi nwete biko
oye post ni bi da oye post ni to nge mo ge ti mo ba uncle e na pa go
uncle
Uncle, I got my booth. I'm going to be there now.
Okay. Uncle, I got my booth. If you post here on your page.
I post to it. Yeah. Post to person before I post to it.
Okay, above post.
Now I told you,
okay, above post. Okay.
I above post. Ogechi post where I had his very good time.
Yes.
I posted it to rest in peace. The Nuku over the Nuku money. Watching now, we are not spoiling.
Okay. Also, if actually me clear this place, so eventually, because only one hello to no London. Ogo uno sini post through picture no Ogechi no ebulie. And him and Ogechi will problem. Ogechi now started pinpointing that picture. Sini post through na ebulie no nya melody fight. Which the world.
I'm sure you want on your mother you are there rest in peace.
It's not a bad thing.
I guess it was supposed to be on the one I had to. I found one day that day, rest in peace. So I see a bad thing.
JPac, Chukwu gozie imana na ya ame mi ife nzuzo no nya kan ji kpo unexpectedly. Achọghị nka asị na mụ na arụ kpara nkata before mkpọ onya kan ji kpo unexpectedly. I want the world ka the world mara na that picture he post to. He post to bully the man. And he post to fight Ogechi because good Ogechi do not matter there.
I want to get a video. Yes, set up. Yes, I want to get your book religion. Well, religion, the mic here so important. That's all.
Okay, Chukwu gozie JPac. Udodo. Chukwu gozie.
Okay.
Chukwu gozie ngwan. Unu n'anya na-eyeba. I just got his number. Somebody sent it to me. Na-eyeba today. Na nke mkpọlie before. Ọ na-ajụ m onye na-ekwu. Mwe kpọkwazi the second time o pikiri. Ọkwọ n'ọfụlịa. Ọ na-afụlịa. If I'm running program here, I don't do arrange. I'm a arrange. Asili na makpoyo unexpectedly. Like obosi mkpolo Governor Eziokwu. I don't do arrange because I'm not afraid of any man. I believe when I'm mother come on. Onwe mu juru m afọ. So you cannot come here and whine me. You won't come on sleep on sense about it. You know? So unu na ya na unu ya afọ nke izizi mkpọlie na eyi today. Nke izizi mkpọlie plus nke ebo. And unu nekwa anya number JPac ya ama no ni local order. Unu na anya.
No, it don't need to show it to Oriakụ. It goes number.
Okay, because unu n'anya achọbụ m igosi unu ka unu fụkwa nọ tata ka esendịlị nọmba JPac kwalịdụkwa ka ha sị and olugbo 1 hour 30 minutes esendịlị before mkpọ JPac ọkwe na aghọta ekwueme preach on
Oriakụ ịma mgbe nna wee mara na ara anụ apụgo sanko ịma mgbọ ede anyị eji ihe Nkechi Benkofa and nke Edwin Igwe ka dịsị anụmanụ kpọrọ m na fonu hey kesele nsị chief pilot unu ejekwana na ihe Nkechi Benka and Edwin Igwe na ya enwe arrest ya na-enweta information a kịta na se ejekwana ebe a ma ejekwana na ya enwekwe arrest there na ya enwe poison aya enye ndị mmadụ poison there be ejekwana na ya akpọgo Ken ya akpọgo ndị ọya akpọgwa ha na asị ka ya kpọọ m
onye na request if your video ọ na-egbu oge request again ekweme preach on biko
Ori na-ege ntị ihe na-ekwu
ọfụma
and I'll tell this animal wee sị ya anụmatụ egwu arrest were onye zuru ohi ezuru mmadụ ohi onye mere m arrest ikpụje na police station lawyer abịa belụọ m na aka m dị ọcha
ekweme biko iwe wena chukwu gọzie ekweme kịta m kpọlụ JPac o nwere ka o si kwu na ọfụlụ picture na Ogechi na Palace of Justice
mba
o nwere ka o si kwu na ọfụlụ ya na chief pilot
mba
ọkwasị na ọfụlụ ya na peji Uncle Ogechi before Ogechi wee post oye abi nyanwa wee post oye abi God bless you. Before Ogechi post oye kele ndị post re before Ogechi post oye
now and the chief pilot and the Ken then now
ọkwa chichi ogbo na post re
and now I want to direct on.
God bless you. And because na chichi ogbo na ye post be, that is why Uncle Ogechi wee post we, because then Palace of Justice was very hot. Onwere amaro Palace of Justice. True or false?
True.
And Ogechi posted that video because no fuge. Ogechi posted that picture because no fuge na ke ebe chief guru
pilot. Remember before the poster, before we went to picture one, Gerardine be on Sunday where my announcement na Papa Ogechi anwona. Ogechi died more than 3 consecutive times. Before Gerardine we take the picture, we be online, we see Ogechi. Okay, na to us na Papa ga anwuro. I watch it live. And then Monya.
Good morning. Good morning. Kekime.
Adamumma.
Oriak, I watch na movie for JPac. Yenti magu no Oriak.
Yes.
Onyola soge this here this saga since 2019.
Yes.
Everybody knows that all Gerardine no way if that girl at Wasiko Nyoshi. I have picture going now picture Ogechi.
Okay.
Gerardine when the man was in Walmart.
Yes, I follow that one quite well.
When that picture Ogechi born in a coma. When for a JPac come up that this man and one, everybody knows that this man and one.
God bless you. Okay. Yeah.
When this man died, Ogechi mata be still am pay one.
Yes.
Their father is dead. Ogechi saw was why Ogechi saw was because Ogechi when he contact to the father, she didn't know that the father is dead. Gerardine never put her here because Gerardine went to that picture because of all the contact with the Ogechi stepmother. The woman Ogechi losing. Gerardine was in contact with her.
Yes.
And Gerardine told this woman that we will help you to contribute money for the father burial. Yeah. That's why that woman used those pictures to Gerardine. So that Gerardine will show people that the man is dead through. So when this picture reached Gerardine, nobody have ever get this picture. When Gerardine brought this picture on Facebook,
I know.
If you hear what JPac said now, when he put this picture, the picture was already in Ogechi Facebook.
Yeah.
That means this was Ogechi is just looking. Even my already that's what I mean. That's what going to You got that?
Yes.
Ogechi was not looking for somewhere to hold JPac. Because Obasi where to say that's where JPac is better against her.
Exactly.
But everyone knows this criminal in London they make only she that again, but this prostitute, she was the one that brought this first in Facebook. Because I followed this thing since 2019 till today. So I know what I'm thinking. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
There's something like JPac brought this picture. It's Geraldine that brought this picture first in the whole Facebook.
Mana before I na-ekwu actually ka ndị mmadụ jee na Nigerian Constitution check here 319 391 and the 392 ka ị gwa m ife ekwuru ebe ahụ. Because when you are coming out on social media without proper information, there is problem. Like in this silly, if you don't take easily to close mouth, we play voice note. Be careful. Go and check section 391 and section 392. Nka you go to Geraldine, you don't see UK. The picker. I know about this, but I can't secret. I don't know. Nigeria. Bet me. Life and the direct.
No, the girl have caused a lot of harm. Even Geraldine is causing more than Ogechi Facebook. Geraldine is causing. You know that girl. You know what I think? She don't want to come to Nigeria again. That's what I think. And she's lucky. She's in London. And let's not forget that somebody can come to London and shoot her in that London that she is. Or hammer. All these things that she's causing, making like a bad man. She's causing trouble in London. And you know that London, Jamaican people fool. Just give Jamaican people $1,000.
My brother, do you know the problem? My brother, do you know the problem?
No.
When I was fighting Sharon and Fiona, I did fight my fight. I don't call this woman name. I did do what I do. I don't call this woman name. I exclude her entirely. Now this woman just wake up one day, say me then buy me and my wife. Say me
but you know she's not mentally sick. Do you know why I tell you that Geraldine is mentally sick? Nobody did what Geraldine did to Ogechi and go back to Ogechi. Nobody did it. No human being with his sense or her sense that we did all what Geraldine did to Ogechi and go back to Ogechi. Nobody. Even if you forget Ogechi, you say Ogechi, go here, let me go my way. The lady is mentally sick. That's what I think. She's sick. You know? It's okay, but I don't call it because I was watching.
Emmanuel melu video one certain time we go see na Geraldine Buzo woputa Ogechi picture.
Yes.
We see Ogechi. Is this not your father?
Yes.
Ogechi now said, no, it's not my father. True or false?
Yes. True.
Then Geraldine, we woputa see mbona na woman atayego.
Yes, I saw it.
We go see the man on allowing our street, not even one boss can allow our street. True or false?
True.
Listen, I was born to remember. I never forget.
Yes.
I never forget. Then when Ogechi Geraldine came out and told Ogechi, come out and tell your followers the truth, or we will bring out your father. Your father is dead.
Let me tell you one thing. That man on the when you go Geraldine, the novel order, the man was alive. When Geraldine contacted her, only Akuko the Bianu go tell him Akuko.
Go where you oh yeah, I couldn't come. What is that? One corner, no, so American one. What are you people saying?
My brother, we all know the truth. That girl is mental.
That's why. Never run away by Meba. Ever can no way confirm one and one hour and Ezo.
Yes.
Why,
I believe you.
Or I'm not for the cement of Korean Katie Benkofa. Now, yeah, more or less you. The magic one can't win. Now, yeah, more or less. Uriako, can you imagine? You see, I never hear me up from Nasa or lie, Babylon. Jadi Tido, MMRS, this idiot, I wear potassium on more for police.
Odiak, you know what I want to say?
No.
Anybody that is supporting Ogechi Okeke Njaka, that Ogechi share the people's food, that person, let him not be surprised that one day they will share the daughter or the father or the mother or herself nude on Facebook. Then let her feel what others are feeling. If anybody can come out and say that Ogechi is a good soul, Ogechi is a sweet soul, that person must get what Ogechi did to people one day in his life or her life. In Jesus' name. Amen.
He says, ezigbo mmadụ Chukwu gozie o biko onwekwa nke anyị kwuru anyị amara pụtakwa gwa anyị ekwe eme preach on.
At the end of all these things, on the Ogechi, she keep on saying, even up to today, then let the court decide, about Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Now, just say, if you make your peace, although I blame Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ori akwetu amana gina uno, epopumu court. Izuzuru bia, matire kekwede. Se kabana give make your peace. Eboku mona gina kada na court. We make accept. Mona gada na mo while oku akada na court. And the court decide about my jenga mona my jenga. Bia mona give make your peace. Ori ako. I don't understand. I blame Ogechi for those things. I'm telling you.
Ekweme, the reason why many people insisted to deal with Ogechi. Formerly, people were saying, considering that Ogechi won, pay attention. But when this evil soul went to Ogechi, people now believe that Ogechi is not just mouth talking. That Ogechi is evil at the same time. That is why you see people fighting Ogechi tooth and nail. When you are following a person that have negativity in his or her life, negative will follow you. Quote me anywhere. I say quote me anywhere. Geraldine is full of negativity, evil, and evil must follow her. In a many
also
still only will wish and may wait 247. I don't walk alone. Here no choke cross Wome Road. That train in across my road keba opia wo yin wo. Pressure. You go
after Geraldine Ogechi is more arrogant and brutal. No, they possess Ogechi. Are you not aware? Oburu Ogechi is more rugged and arrogant. Not parent the mother nazo. You never want you expect now. What will they pay here? Gana web evidence he has Ogechi. But she's not doing it. But saying I blame Ogechi for the Ponyara. On that Babonya Onara wa hoforo. On the putan where the mind of Tasina longer overdose. Good job overdose. Ara will be a near weapon where gas a through app.
Now financially won Makeba. Only one account. If we and many the mother assignment today. After account if I'm more careful, Chukwebuka, pay attention. After this account, if I'm more for Chukwebuka, fortunate and Ogechi, let me say fortunate, not even Ogechi. For this lady was among the people fortunate to share their nude. Fortunate. Sina waku ngwawa ugwacha ahụ. I nwere ike click the account on Facebook. All fake account jụọ ya ajụjụ. Ọ ya akọwara ọfụma. Fortunately, that lady was among the people they tried to share their nude on this movie industry. Which fortunate is the spearhead. Now, when this lady comments, only one lady and a sugar. Only if this lady did na caption. Pay for the level. I heard that Ogechi Okeke is cooling off in Kuje prison. I beg, make una try add this other unfortunate human being, which is fortunate. The nude sharer. The nude sharer. Okushalukwo the nude sharer. Pay attention. Now, Ozioma Sugar, where they see that fortunate should be there as well. Listen, where they look at here. Where they see the Mumu fortunate was the one using her at first to do the saga now. The one from US, nude sharer. So, in Keshiben, no fortunate share nude. Don't argue with Nkeshibenko. It's real. It's real. That is why you can see fortunate do what? Try to separate Jane from Ikenna. Upon Jane triplet, not twins, triplets. Fortunate was on comment section. Eba na abu umu Jane on nwa nwanne na asi ise. Believe in me, Jane who follow that day, she's a very wise lady. She can stand anywhere and defend herself. A stark illiterate fortunate have nothing to offer Jane. Stark illiterate fortunate. Oh, you thought I have forgotten you. Come on, get away you here. You are still in my custody.
From different homes, from different parents. She chose to say she has a reason. I choose not to say it. I have my reasons. That does not mean she's evil. That does not mean she's a devil. Me that I'm not saying it might even be evil or even worse.
Not that you that is not saying it, you are evil, worse than Ogechi. You are evil, worse than Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You are too much evil. Don't say you might. You are evil, worse than Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Evil
than Ogechi. That is why the Bible says that God looks at the hearts. God searches the hearts. Forget about all those people in the church that will tie their scarf, pray, kabash. But in reality, they are evil. Ogechi might be maybe that type that has spoken, that will talk, say this, it could be one negative. I might not be like that. I might be pretending to be holy, but inside I might be.
Not that you are pretending to be holy. You are evil. Don't say you are pretending to be holy. You are evil. When you say that you are pretending to be holy, it will look as if you are very good, or you are somehow good, and people are labeling you what you are not. You are evil. If you do evil, evil is evil. When you see one, call evil, evil. Harlot, you are evil. I said,
devil. Let's not judge. I was telling that my sister, I said, if Jesus Christ had condemned that lady that came with the alabaster box to wash his feet, to prepare him for his burial. Please, people, if you see...
When you see evil person like to do what? To quote Bible in whatever she or he is doing. They will try to quote Bible to do what? To confuse you. Not me, you. Because only you they can confuse, not me. They cannot confuse me. I'm stronger, I'm bigger than them. They can't confuse me. They can only confuse you, not me.
Any comments here in St. Oge, put red head, and I will break them. Because I don't need all these people around.
They don't even need to insult Oge. Ogechi Okeke, the new sharer. They don't even need to insult her. They don't need to insult Oge. They don't need to insult her. They don't need to insult her before you block. So don't come here to talk as if you are important. You are listen. You are not important. You are nobody. You are a fucking shit. Come on, silly womb bless womb. Silly womb bless and get out from here. Womb bless.
Vanessa, my one and only sister, God bless you. If you see anyone comment rubbish here, put red head, and I promise to block them. I don't need you people. If these people were happy when my...
Who needs you? I want to know who needs you. Just tell me one person that needs you. Tell me one person that needs you. Since Sharon and Fiona Bachalo Saga, Buloneka gonna have to on a video. Did they need you? And they are not talking to you. And they are not doing live to talk to you. How many times have you discussed with them again? No tanta fanya. Ogechi is in Kuje. She don't need you. Because where she needs you, you can't afford the help. Nobody needs you. Who needs you? You're a local ballot. Nobody needs you. Come on, get out where you are.
I know they were fighting. I don't even know them. They were all hiding their faces. When I went to a level suit here in UK, I barely see all of you. I never saw any of you to come and help.
Who will help you? I want to know who will help you. When you went to a court in UK, you never see any of who will help you. If you can open mouth and say that Imophili father was having sex with Imophili, what kind of help do you want people to render to you? And you did not say it before you went to court. You said this one after the court. You say this after the court, and you will receive sense. Enter Nigeria and make you know.
Come to the court, apart from few people that genuinely loved me, and these same people also forgave Ogechi. One of them is Princess Ejinda. I remember when she went to apologize to Oge, she gave me reason.
Do you know the reason why she cannot talk without calling them? She will want to include everything. Everybody, not only she go suffer now. What is she they mean? She can't talk without calling names. Very evil woman.
And I said that's fine, you're an adult. I never condemned her. Same thing with Nonso that followed me.
Which Nonso followed you? I never condemned her. What caused problem between you and the Ken? What caused problem between you and the Ken? Number one is enviness. The second thing that caused problem between you and the Ken is because Ken is calling Ogechi and you said Ken to stop. Ken said no, I won't stop. You told Ken to follow you. Ken said no, he won't follow you. You started fighting Ken. What caused you an intelligent caller to quarrel? Because you told the intelligent caller to support you so you people can follow Ogechi. Intelligent caller said no, I cannot follow you to Ogechi. You started fighting her. You started fighting him. What is causing problem between me and you? If you are not an harlot, you are a prostitute. What is causing problem between me and you? I want you to tell the world. Shawo Koromoto
has forgiven Ogechi. Nothing, has nothing. But it's so appalling that men will carry chair, sit down, be calling women prostitutes. The same women they came out from for many years, since 2019.
Can you pregnant yourself? The same women they came out from. Can you pregnant yourself? Is it not the same man that pregnant the women? You are coming out to say they should kill the man. If men, we are not alive, we are not on this earth today, can a woman be pregnant? The answer is no. Because men are alive. Men can communicate with women and got pregnant. That is why women can have baby. The same those men you are coming out to say they should kill them. And you are talking about women. Very harlot, useless thing like you. Useless woman.
Ikenna Uzo, innocent, known as intelligent caller, has bullied Oge's mom. And none of you useless POG member, I call you people.
Ikenna Uzo has bullied Oge's mom. Who started bullying Ogechi family? Who started the bullying of Ogechi's family? Who started it? Is it not you? You are the one that first of all started bullying Ogechi's family. You are the one that brought Ogechi's father out on social media. True or false? If you are not the one, come and debunk it. Let's see. You are the one that started bullying Ogechi's family. Who challenged you when you were bullying Ogechi's family? Even there are people you notice that they want to go to Ogechi, then you were cursing them, telling them that it shall not be well with them. True or false? Ogechi video I send the let me play it here for the world to see. True or false? Now you are saying that people should not. You started bullying Ogechi, but you are the one that brought Ogechi's fathers outside. Are you not the one? Are you not the one? Shawo Kromoto.
Because people don't stand for the right thing. And that is why I left. I don't like being in a place where there is injustice. Thanks for that. Thank you. Where's Block? Frank, bye-bye. Don't need you here. Thanks for the right hand.
It does not concern me.
I can't be in a place where there is injustice. And that was why I left POJ. Initially, when
why did you left POJ? Why did you left POJ? You left POJ because nobody is hearing your voice. The main person they are hearing his voice is Ken. That is the reason why you left POJ. Because you want to be relevant. Before you know what is going on, you started fighting Ken. Because why? Ken outshined you. Ken outshined you. It does not matter to me what she's explaining. Does not matter to me.
Darius account came out.
She go do it. She go explain tire. She go do it. She go explain tire. It's none of my business if she explain or not. It no concerns me. All I know be say she go do it. She go explain tire. Oh yeah.
For donation. Ken brought out his account. People were paying money. And that is why I said from our own side, what we raised was 500,500.
Ken brought out his account. Hey. Who is the architect of this mess Ogechi is into? You know, when I see all this mugu, all these hopeless bingos, shiwa wane sogati Ogechi, just for saga validation. I don't even like to reply them. They know the truth. They know that this one is a Jezebel. She's a witch. Following her cannot give you anything. Following her is putting Ogechi into more problem. Ogechi herself is a useless mother, not woman. She's a useless mother. I said it with full alacrity. This one is more worse than Ogechi because she don't have a child. Who still put Ogechi into this mess? She herself. She was the one that fought Ogechi tooth and nail to make sure Ogechi come down. She told us on live video that she will make sure she bring Ogechi down. And what is happening today? Ogechi is down and down forever. Assuming Ogechi NGO is still working, Ogechi will not come back to Nigeria. Ogechi will be in America, stealing from people. But because of her NGO is falling, she don't know what to do. She decided to prove Saga people that she can go to Nigeria, nothing will happen. This is the reason why Ogechi came to Nigeria. And when this useless thing was going to Ogechi, what did she told us? I have a proof which she can use to scatter the case of Ogechi. But now, water don't pass gale. Water don't pass gale. We don't need anything from you. All we need from you is that proof you will use to destroy Ogechi case. To make sure Ogechi never went to prison. For your eye, Kurokuru. It happened for your eye, Kurokuru. Ogechi don't enter inside Nasarawa. It happened for your eye, Kurokuru. Ogechi don't enter inside Nasarawa. He go still there here, they go give him JPac. You are the cause. You are the reason so many people are crying. You are the reason. You came live. You told the world that Mofilim father was having sex with Mofili. True or false? You put on social media, and you will come out on social media to talk rubbish. You are too evil. This whole place in UK before. Seen on Apollo police in Germany here. This evil soul. On UK, seen on Apollo police in Germany here. When before, if you take a flight, under 45 minutes, you are here in Germany. 45 minutes. But they come UK. I did my day. Jai. She will go to Jinjivenza page, Galavant. Go to Kelafe, Idewater page, Galavant. Am I saying anything? Go to After Dark page. She will Galavant there. I never talk to her. The one that broke the camel back is this hopeless harlot. To go to her page and start saying that if they want to buy me and my wife, they should buy us. That I deserve it. Did I call your name before threatening my life with spy? Did I call your name? Yeah. Did you ever see Shishi? Why are you doing this? Shishi, why are you not supporting me? Did I ever say that? Did I call your name? I did my day. They face Sharon and Fiona. What they face? I call your name. I face you. I face you. Why you come outside say me they buy me and my wife? Why you come outside say me they buy me and my wife? You come outside say me they buy me and my wife. I can't come outside tell people say the people who say me they buy now you pay 200,000. You begin to explain. Go explain tire. You go explain tire. Give una this blue up. You go explain tire. When they do another person, they happy. Because of you, that's why no one Sagu gave Benaja. Now come tell you truth. Because I can see the way you are turning around. You want me to Sagu gave Benaja so you can smile because of you. Instead of me, to saga Uge Benaja, I will remain silent till I die. Instead of me to saga Uge, the only way I will saga Uge Benaja, if Uge Benaja make peace with you, then I will come. But hence Uge Benaja and you are not in good time, I will not give you that joy. Never. I can't try that. And mebu ago ajunni. I will never give you that joy. The last thing I will do is to give you shishi joy. Now this movie industry, it's never possible. I will never give you joy. Never. I will never give you joy. Then my day, I no call in name. I dare to do my thing. Now come and say, buy my wife, buy my man. Don't you know that that is a threat? It's a 100% threat. And now you are crying. Your generation, your useless mother, very useless woman that born a harlot. My children 200. Did I give you the account? Don't you know they have an account? Did I give you any of my children account? See what you the money. The money there. And when I was giving you account, did I say this is my children account? Rather, I told you no refund after payment. I wrote it to you there. No refund after payment. No refund after payment. She cannot blow your generation on a harlot like you, prostitute, a shower. He said people they happy say they call you a shower. No be a shower you be. No be a shower you be. I call your name. Did I call your name for 1 minute? Why did you threaten to buy me? Did I call your name for 1 minute? And you are telling my opponent they should buy me. If I call your name, bring out the video. When I was fighting with Sharon, if I ever called your name to saga you, bring out the video. I did my day. I never called your name. And now they see the saga, they pepper you for body. They pepper you for body. When you know say my mouth no good. When you know say me I go curse you and curse your generation. When you know say if you look for my trouble, I no go forgive you. And now you are making a hell of noise. You are person where you you are person where you give money. Why did you give me money? Did I come to UK, put gun or at your neck and say you should pay money? Did I ever force you? Did you pay the money under duress? You pay it willingly and kindly because you have been holding me money for rice. If you want rice, Ijim for last 3 years. Ijim was his last 3 years for rice. And if Ijimu wore 5 bags of rice, when rice was 30 something or 40 something thousand, it's really 5 bags. Now, when you pay this money, rice was 120,000. You paid for 1 bag and a half. You are still holding me 3 bag and a half. Now, you go pay me complete. You go pay me complete. If it's now 3 bags and a half bag of rice, 3 bag and a half, and you must complete it. You will not know when you will pay it. I did my day. I never called your name. I did do my thing. I don't call your name. I never called your name. You started threatening me and my wife and my mother. Say, if they want to buy us, they should buy us. That I deserve it. Then I deserve to be buy, but you don't deserve to call harlot or prostitute or a shawo. And me, I deserve to be buy, right? Harlot like you. Oh yeah, listen.
I just want to be doing a recorded video and be posted. But I just had to, because what I have in mind to say is not something I'll record 5 seconds and post, or record 3 minutes and post. No. What I have to say might be maybe like 30 minutes or more than.
People should take good record of what I'm saying today. People should take good record of what I'm saying. Shishobone is holding me 3.5 bags of rice. 3.5 bags. Okuhugo 1.5 bags. Because after all, when you promised this rice was 40,000. Why didn't you give me this money then? Why are you bringing it now when rice is expensive? If you could 1.5 bags or half bag, 1.5 bags, so you need to complete it. 3.5 bags. You are holding my rice. Fiji in each day rice 3.5 bags. And then you go pay. Let me tell you, say you go pay. You not gonna know when you go pay the money.
And it's so really appalling, if I may say.
Because I was not if I even jam who never baby amolo and my mom will quit. Coronation, I know comedy can remember. I'm not laughing, no. I'm not laughing, no. Only I do not do. If you want 3.5 bags, it's simple. For 1.5 bags, or 3.5 bags, inside 5 bags. If you ever not call them rubbish, to woo there. You go pay that money finish. Yeah, push that share.
Really disheartening. Blessing Ode, my sister, I greet you. It's so heartbreaking. It's so disheartening. So, in the last 10 minutes, somebody chatted me up, and a wonderful sister called me on the phone. Now, apparently they said they have seen the video.
The problem is that all these things are the reason why I don't go to her page. She don't have a topic. And even when I went to this program today, I just watched it today because I don't watch her. Even when I went to this one, I forwarded it. She can forward to where I can say amen. Because I don't have time. Don't have time to talk to this harlot. I did my day. I never called her name. She started ranting they should buy me.
To ease their depression, or maybe they are at work, or maybe they are about to sleep, they are having their food, they are with their husband, and then they just carry their phone.
So say about saga ke ya fortunate. So say about saga ke ya fortunate. So say about saga. You cannot bring out your platform and agitate how to release Ogechi. You cannot bring out your Ogechi platform and agitate how to release her. So say about saga ke ya no. This is how you do with your useless life. Make you don't think Ogechi na problem. Ikenna, see Nigeria, but America. You came out on social media, start doing video, want to galavant. See Neunya Dana and roll woman. Mommy, fall for grand and start rolling yourself. Mana Jenny, uno na try galavant with. No go UK. America is no better than UK. Hey, my son, let her come to America. And the do you know how many people that lives in America? Prince, and then we kill off 100 million or 150 million. You want known, you can not corner at Wafia. Will a nedo bona? Even The woman that have triplets for your brother, and now sue you on, and now sue as you on, they will die. In a lady on it say, with your fake account, in it say, fortunate you are the next that we go in. When time come, you must enter Kuje. Ogechi agwana this lady in America, kila fedo, nka asina ha wejima, shefugo ma for that lady. Ogechi agwana that lady say, you live fortunate that brought out your name. Fortunate that is fighting you. You left fortunate and start fighting me. Ogechi, because you are a daft human being. You are too daft. You are too daft to associate with. Okay, Palisha, they will tell you they will never leave you. They will never leave you. And they never leave you. You are in the jail now. Some people like me will pop champagne. Because you don't want living. You don't want living. For you to tag children that is alive, tag them rest in peace. You don't want living. You don't want living. Only eventually, whoever I want to make it categorically clear. Imano bi une dewa no mu ife. Mano na amaro shishi. Onwere ife no ma. Ono poto na na garavant. They shared Mirabel's nude on Oriaco's platform. They shared Mirabel's nude. Pay attention to their statement. They shared Mirabel's nude on Oriaco's platform. So you don't know meaning of sharing. Do you know what is sharing? To give, to send, to give to people. I'm sharing this thing to people, or I'm sending this thing to people. That is what they call share. Now, they shared Mirabel's nude on Oriaco's platform. Maria Justice, are you not seeing this one? That is why I say this justice is one-sided. And none of you have ever brought out where I shared the nude to you. None of you have ever brought out. Since Unuja rant, all this on a rant. Do you know why I don't reply you people? I just decided to reply today. Do you know why I don't reply you people? Because I am waiting for the day. One person here say, Oriaku, you are the one that shared this Mirabel's nude to me. This is the proof. Manuna ye wop tamwe. Manuna ya ano na social media every day. No allegation. This is how Ogechi label Father Mbaka. Father Mbaka now said, if you don't bring the proof, you will be in a big mess. This is the harlot of London, Shishi Obonaye. Shishi Oboyi. This is how she came. She still said it on her platform. They are sharing nude on Oriaco's platform. And you cannot be able to bring out the proof. This is another problem. This is another allegation labeled against my person. This is the allegation labeled against me.
Go on Facebook and then see where a man
Sharon in our support boom. When I did not fight even only Sharon. I fight Sharon, fight Fiona, fight Gingy, fight Ogechi. Can you focus the way I focus? You cannot, because you are a foolish harlot. I'm fighting for people with this my page there. During the time of Ogechi, I was fighting Ogechi and followers. I don't fight one person. If I stand on my right, I must stand. I go nowhere. It does not matter to me.
is seated abusing a woman. They use fake accounts to laugh away their sorrow. So just because I made it,
is seated where a man is seated abusing a woman, and a woman is seated, not even a woman, a harlot for that matter, is seated abusing a man. By the way, what are you doing on social media? Harlot, Shichi, London. What are you doing on social media? What are you doing on social media? Now let's start from there. What are you doing on social media? Are you working in government? The answer is no. Are you a lawyer? The answer is no. Are you working for Facebook? The answer is no. Then what are you doing on social media? When you're supposed to go and cook for your lazy youth man, you're supposed to be in the kitchen cooking for lazy Mark, a lazy useless idiot. A man that left his family and started following one harlot, one prostitute, just because of, I don't know because of what. Just because no telukaya mata ni ibu. Itelukaya mata ni ibu. Ola ufilo no ni ibu go to tight. Ibu ndala. Hey, nwanya asiri no na awiala. That is why people are not going close to her. Nkande mother got close to her. Ibu e at the tight. Who will fuck this one? Onya solom pompo ke ifene. This is Mark, useless Mark reason before coming to you. Idiot.
And I made a reference to JPac. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do this video properly when I get home. Any of the day, and bring out that same video where JPac was leveling allegation against Reverend Mbaka. The truth is, most of you are not happy because why am I Bitoge? Like my wonderful sister that.
Now, I want to make it categorically clear here today. Now, I want to make it categorically clear. Now, I want to make it categorically clear. Let me make it categorically clear now. Anybody that ever said she or he is angry because this non-living thing went to Ogechi, may your days never be long. Muklu. Assuming this non-living thing is with you, what can this thing contribute to your livelihood? What can this thing contribute to your struggle? What can this thing contribute? What can she contribute? Every time they will be saying, she will be saying, because I'm with Ogechi, because I'm with Ogechi, because I'm with Ogechi. Who cares if you are with Ogechi or not? Who cares? Nobody cares. Me personally, I don't know if any other imbecile. Me personally, I don't care. Why must I care if you are with Ogechi? You are with Ogechi. Now, what is the result? What is the result? Being with Ogechi, what is the result? What is the result? Is the result is not disastrous. The result is disastrous. I pin with Oge. What is the result? What is the result? What is the result? The result is Ogechi have been destroyed. This is the result. So why must somebody be envy of you being with Ogechi or be angry being with Ogechi? You have been with Ogechi for years now. What is your contribution inside Ogechi's life? What is your result being with Ogechi? I'm asking you, what is your result? Some people are angry because I'm with Ogechi as if you are important. You are not important to anybody here. You are not important to anybody. What is your result? I'm still asking. Come out and prove to you. What is your result being with Ogechi? I want to know. What is your result being with Ogechi? Nothing. Rather sorrow and pain. Rather sorrow and the pain. Sorrow and the pain. Now Ogechi is in prison crying. Look at her, they handcuff her and be pushing her like a Hausa. Look at her, they handcuffed her and be pushing her like a Hausa. What is your contribution into her life now? You are the one that destroyed the Ogechi with even microphone. With microphone. But you could not be able to repair what you destroyed. You see? To destroy is very easy. But to repair is very difficult. Henry, Ezigbo mmadụ, Henry Shimezie. Ezigbo mmadụ. God bless you, Henry Shimezie. You even went to Ijele. Ijele have problem. Ijele Chukwuka. You went to Ijele. Ijele have problem. You came out to mock Ijele. Now you don't even know what to talk about Ogechi matter. You are the cause of Ogechi predicament today. Who cares if you are with Ogechi? What can you contribute in Ogechi release? Nothing. The highest thing you can contribute is saga material. Maybe common fortunate if you jump, you could not be able to answer fortunate. Now worry. You only like to fight people that is bigger than you. People like Juliago, people like Umofili, people like Marian Justice, people like PJ Fashion. You like to fight people that is bigger than you. When Ogechi was bigger than you, you fought Ogechi till Ogechi come down to your level. Now now Ogechi is in my level now. Now I can relate with her. Anybody that you see that is bigger than you, you want to fight that person. You want to bring that person down to your level. Nesha Atiguna Abarumaya Melu for 4 years back. Complete fucking 4 years. Adashishi Jesus. Ezigbo mmadụ. Investigation officer. Amarachi ezigbo mmadụ. Ezigbo mmadụ. Shout Iguna Barumaya for complete 4 years. 4 years. 4 years. 4 years. Going to 5 years. The guy did not even fight you. What did you do? You brought out the shot for the world to see. You brought out the shot for the world to see. Ekwu na movie industry. My old people, my new people, muna hana apa up till today. Mula Jomadu, me and them will not be discussing. Mula Jomadu, me and them will not be discussing. Respect is reciprocal. If you respect me, I respect you. You gave me 200,000 for saga. Ha, Ogenation, ezigbo mmadụ. Ogenation, but Ogechi is gone. You gave me 200,000 for saga. Did I come out to say it? No. But when you started telling the world that they should buy me and my wife, and you don't want me to talk, you don't want me to talk. You don't want me to talk because you are a fool. That is why you don't want me to talk. You came on live video, start telling people they should buy me and my wife, and they don't want me to talk. Never chichonchi. Go chatting at a man.
Called me. That most of the thing Ogi says is unspeakable. How can she be talking up to an arm and all that? My sister, I am not Ogi, and Ogi is not me. If she chose to say those things, it's up to her. If I choose...
Oh yeah, now, the Ogechi you are talking about, pay attention. Ogechi you are talking about is more better than you. I prefer choosing Ogechi than choosing you as a human being. As a human being, I mean as a human being. If you stand Ogechi and stand you, I will take Ogechi and leave you. I can confidently and quietly sit down with Ogechi and eat food. But I cannot sit down and eat with you. Because you are too evil. You are evil. I cannot sit and eat with you. It's not possible. I cannot sit and drink with you. It's not possible. But I can sit and drink with Ogechi. If I want to go anywhere, we carry my drink or I carry my food. If I enter toilet, if I sit with Ogechi, I'll carry my food enter toilet. If I sit down the sheet, I go keep the food for my lap. They eat them for inside toilet. I prefer to have virus inside toilet than keeping my food for somebody to poison. But you, I cannot even eat with you or drink with you. Because here we don't have pachai. You won't have pachai. We won't have etinanya. You won't have etinanya. You won't have etinimi. You give me shame about us. Only one guy won't have etinonu. You go obey. I cannot sit with you. Even standing with you, I must give you Abstand. You move a Abstand here in Deutschland. Do you know the meaning of Abstand in Deutschland? Don't know the meaning of Abstand in Deutschland. Ah, Ikesi Ruby, my love. Nemma bia Hamburg, amoni nwere hotel here nyem. Achọ m ịkwụ ụgwọ hotel. Ongo ya kwụrụ m ụgwọ nne. But mma bia Hamburg. Because ego flight or ego train eji abia Hamburg karịrị ego hotel. Kwụchakwa ụgwọ niile akwụkwọ m ụgwọ hotel. Go and know who is this Ike Ruby. Go and check her profile. The first day I went to Hamburg to visit she was the first person that welcomed me with Hennessy. This woman, I gave her my wallet, everything that concerns me. I go out to discuss with people. She's still with it. I never suspected her for one day. For one day. Up to today. We are still... although Ike Ruby to go when go chef himself. Or to go when go chef home. Because one year I want to know a boutique more time. No, a boutique in the Pentecost. One year I want to know a boutique Pentecost. Or to go put in a chef home. Because for years now I'm on board. Man, can I follow? And the all no love Lumoya said, or can you go to no react? And when you know be powerful, Ona Ruby love Lumoya say can go do no react. But because she don't love me, that is why she never called me. Mom, I don't already call. Get out. Ruby, get out. Come on, get out get out. Come on, get out. Also. Show my good reloaded. Wakashireke, you forget me. Oh. If you don't forget me, why can't you call me since all this while? For complete 2 years and 3 years, you never called me. You just forget me. And you are telling me, Ori, I never forget you. And I whine on Kogon. Get out! Get out! Get out! I said, get out! Angel Hamburg, Munoya Akoko, nothing. Umpona, even my document, Oji, Akokaba, no story. Nje the harlot of London, confuse Munchi Nunjelu, Simunchi nya setamu nya menka, you know, so many folk up. And I covered in a social media is to make friends, though, not before war. Social media is to make friends, not war. That is why if I feel that you are a good person, I would like to make you friend. But to Uju Paulina showed me that she's a friend to rely on. Last, she showed me that she's an agent of darkness. Mana, me, Asinanya, she's not a prostitute. She never did prostitute in Libya, and you know so many things. You know, Mana. Hence, she is still communicating with Ogechi and this prostitute that lives in London. She's not my friend anymore. She's not my friend anymore. Shoma good, nke pialo go. Shoma good, nke nyeli start do ogunuzi. Eje unazu ego oga obianye star, uche udukwe. Owu di uju ona si ewo mego unyi ori akosta. Ewe chupu nuni say no movie industry destroy your marriage. Keki na yen sa edition no ego kiji go star. Macro more than 20 times because I don't surely go Gigi go star. What I do? A Jonas Asro maybe competition or carrying a problem. Asro I can give star for fun. Oh, good also. Asro one in star for fun. Which I would quit. A quay more is in a star for fun. Go with Jenya. Is the landlord who when one pump Simori. All these people are giving star for fun. So go ahead, Simori. Please tell your followers to donate. Nobody they donate for you. I know it. Imagine you understand unless you want it. Don't say I didn't want you. Don't. Yes.
It's every of the month. I am not do care the money now. Are they malo? Ọkwa kọmpini ọkwa anyị nwa nwere kwesịrị kọmpini a na-abara ụba wee nwere ya.
I'm not suspect because over there and I'm going to say Mapute.
Of course na get Oriakụ. Kwesịrị page afọ everybody ọ bụrụ nyawa.
Of course.
Ihe ọ bụla na-abata kwa na ya kwesịrị isokwa na nke m na.
Of course.
Ka na-eri onwe ha.
Mana ị na-elikwe ili na nke ya gbado na akpịrị uche udukwe.
Ụdị nke a jiri were riwuo kotokwuru ụka.
Chineke mba jinjimu nke jinjimu na olili olicha ahụ ọkụọda mana onye lili wee lite okwu na ụka wụ ekwu emeka ngwa eziokwu ọngụnwa ụmụ 30,000 na 50,000 a na-enye
ọgwụ ịsa akụsa na ori anụ ogwu agalị
ọkụtiri anụ o nwere nke apịalụ ichetara ụbọchị ahụ mkpọrọ o nwere nke apịalụ mkpọrọ ziri ekweme isi m na
ga-asị Oriakụ apụkwa m aka Oriakụ agwọra m agwọ Oriakụ asị ekwu eme ọgụ n'ụzọ esi oge hapụsị na dị anyị apụtago bụrụ anyị apụtago n'ụlọ etiri
now for you we go nowhere.
Oriakụ asị m anya adịghị na mma na my brother ịma na ihe anyị bere ebe a bụ ka ọ dịrị nwoke mma dịrị nwaanyị
ekwemifikwu uwe eziokwu ndị sta apụtara na ekwemekwu okwu kwemeprish
ebe a bụ ebe anyị bịara ka anyị na-enwepụrụ onwe anyị aṅụrị but somebody dị ka Geraldine jidere everywhere wee mee gịnị wee spoil ya. Look at onye ara nọ na London. I have already told the family of this woman ka ha bring her n'oge before akwụọ ya ịga ma n'isi ma n'aka, but I don't know why they are delaying. Oriakụ kere ihe this woman na-emere Ogechi Okeke Njaka.
Yeah, you go look at na-achọ na social media.
Now, onye a na-akọ ihe a are the one that went to Facebook office by herself to report all Ogechi Okeke Njaka handle.
Say it again.
This woman are the person that went to Facebook office and made a proper report saying that Ogechi Njaka to Facebook office to bring down all her handle.
Preach on, preach
was
on.
One that said it by herself, not me, and I wasn't there when she's doing all those nonsense.
Preach on.
This woman still went as far as to call immigration. Why in UK calling US immigration for the same Ogechi?
Preach on.
Obi Hokwadie. After what I the same Ogechi Okeke Njaka immigration. The same man Onyara na London went as far as Asia to Ugochukwu di Ogechi Okeke Njaka to leave Ogechi Okeke Njaka and ran away. Or end Hokwadie. The same one in London went as far as call no Papa Ogechi Chika, if I'm not mistakenly. She called Chika and they provided the Chika number online. Recorded Chika, brought it on Facebook. Be or there. The same to now contacted the Papa Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Pay attention for people on our coro, no JPac web tele, obituary Papa Ogechi. Geraldine have been speaking with the Papa Ogechi. Matter not that I the man say go to my o wee ruzie n'ọnwụ.
Ekweme.
Nine.
Ekweme. O nwere ife nchọrọ ịgwa ahụ kịta. Ị na-anụ ife na-ekwu?
Of course.
Ekweme, preach on.
Now,
Anya ife nchọrọ ịgwa, preach on.
he tell you that was talking to this man when he was alive. If he had introduced you to one of the paper out there, one of the novel, the man not there. At the end of the day, Obi Okwadie, you brought out to Mr. Timothy phone number, check a phone number outside of Facebook. Obi Okwadie, the man you brought out the picture of that man on Facebook. Yet, Obi Okwadie, a great year go fund me. Nana $12,500 Timothy. You cause the commotion and the problem that makes people not to donate that exactly amount they want. At the end, they want another figure. Timothy was buried in America. Obi Okwadie, you went as far as contacted the Ken to do obituary of Mama Ogechi Okeke Njaka that's still alive. And you agree by yourself, not me, that you demanded the picture. You demanded for it. And they came to do the obituary. And you guys posted it. But who demanded for it? You.
Preach on. Preach on.
At the end of the day, Obi Okwadie, you went as far as you brought more than 600,000 naira to initiate this case in Abuja for the first time. You brought 100,000, highest donor. You brought Emeka Ezigbo. You sent intelligent caller and they go to arrest Emeka in Owerri, and they brought Emeka down to Abuja. And you went as far as with the NGO Ogechi Okeke Njaka make sure that NGO are done.
Ekweme chego do no nwere onye mkpọrọ kịta. O nwere important person mkpọrọ na. Hello?
Hello?
JPac Chief of Staff. Am I on to JPac? Onye ego na-ekwu uwe Oriakụ. Oriakụ na Facebook. Onye ma ọkwazi Oriakụ. Ihe anụ maka Oriakụ. Hello? No Nigeria safe. Network on this so na-enye. Ekweme prison. This so na-enye mwa. Ekweme prison.
Now, at the end of the day, he will say Emeka Abuja. Just like Ogechi Benko, Equator ni kwuru. In reverse, President Ogechi sere low life. He will back to Ogechi Okeke after the burial of Edwin Igwe and Ogechi Benko. Oriakụ, pay attention. If Nara this girl be the whole today.
JPac. Hello, JPac.
Hello.
Hey, JPac.
Hello.
I'm an if you know. In an even
Yes.
Okay, Chukwu gozie. Can you email now? Chukwu gozie. Nna biko o nwere ife nsele ka njọ biko ịma na emewo some people asị na na-eme arrange call biko